My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Hawkeye. Hawkeye stands for a new ransomware that is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Hawkeye ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. Then the ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. So very soon we will see why exactly this particular ransomware is called like that, Hawkeye. So it reveals this ransom note titled as Hawkeye. It changes the desktop background and it appends the random extension to the file names. In the ransom note, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration, but I urge you not to pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start carefully researching the computer. So Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you will need to click on this Start Scan button. After you do that, the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. Well, for some reasons my internet connection is missing. It could be because of this ransomware in place. So anyway, Combo Cleaner helps to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect your data. It does not decrypt the files, keep this in mind. But it helps to remove this ransomware effectively. So you need to finalize scanning with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner helps to protect your data with this anti-ransomware feature ahead of time. Just wait until it completes scanning. And speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.